Hey, you two. Um, Monkey Joker, back again. Uh, so this was kind of a request, but kind of not. The guy put a whole bunch of newer bands in a list, and we just chose Joyous Wolf and decided to do a song by them, and we're doing Odyssey. Never heard of it, so it's gonna be new to us. Let's get it going.
Stole the sun from me. Hey, that's beautiful. My Odyssey, swallowed by the sea. Hey, that's pitiful. Slave to a feelings, it makes me all alright. Slave to a feelings, makes me wanna die. No, it doesn't matter, I don't matter. Just leave the whole thing behind. You're never gonna miss some, you're never gonna miss some. Just leave the whole thing behind. You're never gonna miss some, you're never gonna miss some. Penelope calling out to
I'm getting into the video.
Yeah, I like the video, but the guitar parts is really awesome. It makes me, it's reminding me of something else, but I can't put my finger on it right yet.
Yeah, it's good so far.
Yeah, I like it. It's it's like I say, I can't pinpoint what the influence was because I don't know when
Hey.
they came out or.
We get into the next part. Look them up and see where they're from. Let's keep it going.
me. Hey, that's beautiful. Yeah, promise me, say we'd always be. Hey, that's pitiful. Yeah, slave to a feelings. It makes me wanna ride up on you. Slave to a feelings. It makes me wanna die. No, it doesn't matter, I don't matter. Just leave the whole thing behind. You're never gonna miss some, you're never gonna miss some. Just leave the whole thing behind. You're never gonna miss some, never, never, never. You're never alone, never alone, never alone. Just leave the whole thing behind. You're never gonna miss down. You're never gonna miss down. Just leave the whole thing behind. You're never gonna miss down. You're never gonna miss down.
Hey, that was pretty good.
Yeah, I liked it. they're from Orange County, Los Angeles, California.
From California. Yeah,
That's
that was
pretty good.
a pretty good song. Pretty good. I like the video. The video is kind of wicked.
It says they just signed with a major record label back in 2018 with Roadrunner Records.
Oh, there in Roadrunner.
Yep.
I see you put a star by it. What's it? What's your star?
I'm
name?
gonna check out some more stuff by them.
Hey, that was That was a good one.
Yeah,
I liked it.
I mean, like I said, the song itself with the music and all that sounded great. It reminded me of something else out there, and I can't put my finger on it. But I mean, that's usually a good inclination. This is some good music.
Yeah, this is it was 3 minutes and 27 seconds. That's kind of the songs that he likes too.
Yeah, the 12-minute ones where you can go cook a steak and get some popcorn and come back and it's still playing. I still got 6 minutes to go, man. I mean, don't get me wrong. I like long songs, but it's just, man.
All right, guys, that was a good one. We liked it. I'm gonna put that on my playlist, and learn more from him. Like, you didn't see how many albums they got, do you?
It had barely had any information.
Okay.
It just told me that.
All right, that was Joyous Wolf, and that was Odyssey.
They're Sony. They don't even have a Wikipedia page.
Oh,
That's why I had to go to their own site.
oh, okay. Well, just listen to what you can find then.
Yeah.
But once again, that was Joyous Wolf with Odyssey. We're Infinity Groove. Subscribe, like, and comment. Come join us on this journey. Peace.